Hello everyone. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to remove a white background from an image in After Effects. Let's get started. First, I have my PNG image with a white background. I'll drag and drop it into my composition. Next, we need to open the Effects tab. If you don't see it, go to the Window menu and make sure Effects and Presets is checked. Once it's open, go to the search bar and type in Color Range. Now, drag and drop the color range effect onto your image layer. You can also press Enter after selecting it to apply the effect. You'll see the effect applied, but it might remove the wrong color initially. To fix this, go to the Effects Control panel where you see the color range settings. There are 3 eyedroppers here. Select the main eyedropper. We want to pick a shade of white that represents the majority of the background. Usually, this will be a pure white area without any shadows. Click on one of the top corners of the white background. As you can see, this removes the white background from the image. If there are still some white areas left, you might need to use the pen tool to create a mask around your object. However, in most cases, if the object is not a color close to white, the Color Range tool should work perfectly. That's it for removing a white background in After Effects. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more tutorials.